Today I want to announce our high capacity micro SD cards, and oh boy have these things impressed me. Hello everyone, my name's Mike, and here at SABRENT we love to make and talk tech. So if that's what you're into, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. So yes, SABRENT are now making micro SD cards, and the performance on these things have been incredible for me. I've put these things through mobile phone, through the Steam Deck, through audio recorders, through GoPros, and honestly it has never hiccuped at all. But anyway, let's get into this thing, show you what you get in the box, and then talk about some of its incredible features and specs. Before I get into it, on a side note, can I just say how nice this packaging is? It's got this really nice satisfying magnetic opening and closing because of the magnets built into this packaging, but also this packaging serves as a case as well for your micro SD card adapter and SD card. So yes, in the box you get the micro SD card to SD card adapter as well as the micro SD card. These SD cards come in three different sizes. You have 256GB, 512GB and 1 terabyte. This is a V30 micro SD card, but also has A2 certification, meaning it meets demanding applications with IOPS speeds of 4000/2000 random read and write IOPS or more guaranteed. In terms of specifications, this is a V30 video class speed card, meaning that it is capable of 30 megabytes per second or more of sustained write speed to record 4K video smoothly. This means that these cards are great for action cameras and smartphones. This is also fully compliant with the A2 specification, meaning that this has read speeds of up to 100 megabytes per second. This is great as it gives you flexibility for different tasks and different devices. Also, because of the included adapter, this gives you extra flexibility as you can use this as a normal UHS 1 memory card. This adapter also has a lock on it, meaning that you can protect your data on the go. Our micro SD cards aren't your standard typical micro SD cards. This is because these cards use the newest 3D flash to ensure reliability even with sustained use. Performance is guaranteed, and we never use last gen NANDs in our cards. Also used is a reliable and performant controller with ECC to extend the usable life of these cards. Thanks to all of this technology and our engineering, these cards are going to perform incredible no matter what device you put them in. On a personal note, I have been using these cards in my cameras, in the Steam Deck, and in my audio recorder. For example, my audio recorder shoots in 32-bit flow, which is an extremely high bitrate audio recorder, but this card handled it absolutely fine. Also, when it came to the Steam Deck, as you can see, I installed the 1 terabyte micro SD card into this thing, and I've installed quite a few games and I've only got 246 gigabytes left. So definitely pick up the bigger memory card if you're going to be installing quite a few games on your Steam Deck. And for those interested in our micro SD cards for the Steam Deck, just to let you know, I have put countless hours of gameplay on this, and SABRENT, that was all for work obviously. But jokes aside, genuinely we have put hours of testing in many devices, and we have been absolutely impressed with the performance. So if you want to pick one up, then I'll leave links down in the description below. But anyway, that's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, then make sure to smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.